Hey there, I'm Shubham. In this video, we'll cover an alternative method for creating variants in your PLG OS campaigns. To get started, head to your dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Campaigns, then choose My Campaigns. Here, you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Select the campaign for which you want to create a new variant. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Edit. Once inside the campaign editor, look for the Save as Variation drop-down menu at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down, select Create a New Variation. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your new variant. Enter a name, then click Save New Variation. Now, with your new variant selected in the drop-down, you can make any appropriate changes to the content from the Edit panel. For example, you can change the heading, body, and question as required. To see your changes, click the Preview button. Once you are satisfied with the new design, click Publish to make your variant live. You can now check your newly created variant by going back to the My Campaign section. And that's it. That's how you create a new variant in an existing campaign. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos to learn more about PLG OS.